When you play drum fills, you don't want to think about it too much. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ridiculously simple drum fills. What's up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. Thinking too much about what you're gonna play on the drums is just gonna make it tougher to concentrate on your actual playing. You want the drums to become second nature, and you get there by, you guessed it, practice. So in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 fills that are easy to practice, they're easy to remember, and they work in almost any setting. Before we get started, don't forget that you can join my channel membership in order to get the transcripts and the audio tracks from all the drum lessons that I post here on the channel. Now, let's start with the first fill. First of all, like I always suggest in my drum lessons, you should apply all of these fills to your drum set in whatever way you see fit. This first fill is so simple but extremely effective and will basically work in any genre. This is a half measure fill, so it starts on beat 3. It's played as 16th notes, and the sticking for this is right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left. I call this the 3-3-2 because you're essentially playing 2 groups of 3 and 1 group of 2. So when you're counting this, you can either go 3E and a, 4E and a, 1. Or you can go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then you're back at the 1. I'll break it down at a slow tempo and then we'll gradually speed it up. Awesome, let's move on to fill number 2. The second fill on this list is also a 16th note half measure fill, and the sticking for this is right, left, right, kick, flam, kick, right, left. Let's break it down slowly at first and gradually speed it up. Nice going, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Alright, you guys, time for the last fill. This last drum fill is a full measure fill, also played as 16th notes. The cool thing with this is that this is a great fill that keeps the backbeat going. So it's not an obvious drum fill. It flows great into basically any groove, and the sticking for this is right, left, kick, right, left, right, kick, right, left. Let's break it down. Alright my friends, you made it to the end. That's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoy these drum fills. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. If you want to add even more fills to your arsenal, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.